300 acres to do today, Maddie. Maddie, this heat's cooking my brain. We'll be out here until Christmas.
And this thing keeps jamming. There's got to be a better way.
We'll never get this done in time.
Good morning, friends. Ready for some top-notch aerial mapping?
You must be new around here?
Why? Because I have a funny accent? Seriously, I'm here to make your workload lighter.
With Extreme Aerial's Wingtron and multi-rotor drones, topo and LiDAR mapping in hours, not just days.
Wow, look at those things fly.
I've never seen anything quite like this.
Careful and complete. Every inch is mapped.
Jimmy, these models are excellent. All finished before lunch?
No more 16-hour days fixing mistakes. This is incredible.
You approve, we help. That's real teamwork.
This data's solid, excellent accuracy. I'll sign off on this plat.
We support your expertise, Rachel.
Extreme Aerial Productions. We're not rivals. We help you shine.